Alright, so today I wanted to talk about my new tool that I just released on GitHub a few hours ago. So a few days ago I demonstrated a tool called OSINTABLE, but I wanted to very much expand it and make it useful for a variety of reasons. So you would have to install these packages, but typically they are pre-installed. I believe the only one that you really need to install is PyFiglet if you want the ASCII art, well, I voice crack. So just obviously git clone it. All you have to do is cd OSINTABLE Python 3, and you can also use this on Windows and Mac. .py, and you get this interface. So first I will demonstrate the username. So you just type in username and then the username. So I'll just do James Smith, and then you're able to find different accounts with that username. I don't know how much social media platforms I added on here, but it's quite a few. Most of the common ones that you see today. And now let's do the reverse person search. So now we can search someone's name. So we'll just do James Smith again. Boston. And be sure to put a comma or it will not work. And there we go. So now we have this query, and we can paste that in. And now you see I have a bunch of results from people in the Boston area. Please let me know if you want me to, some other stuff that you want me to add. I didn't really have like a great idea of stuff, so I just did the two most popular things that I think this tool will be useful for. And yeah, please enjoy it. I would really appreciate if you go try it out, and if you find any errors, please let me know in the issues over here.